Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a bathroom makeover. I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I will be doing some organizing ideas and also some decorating. If you guys like this type of content, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Then let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, to help me get organized today, I am going to be using my brand new Cricut Joy. Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with software called Design Space that comes free with your Cricut machine. This is where you can find your projects and browse for hundreds of images, fonts. Once you've reached your design, Design Space will send it to your Cricut machine and it will also cut it for you too as well. So I will show you guys how I actually created my label. You can actually change your font, change your size, and then also you can space your letters and your lines. What I love about this is that you can pretty much customize it the way that you want. With the Cricut Joy machine, it's a snap to create custom cards, pro-looking labels, and personalized decals. So I am going to go ahead and continue to make my labels for my bathroom organization. Like I said, it's very easy. As you can see on the left side, you have different options for pictures, images, phrases, templates, and projects. And I'm just going to go ahead and just customize my letter spacing and then also group everything together, because it gives you an option to group and ungroup things together to actually get the desired look that you guys need. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm putting the words close to each other. That way I will not use so much smart vinyl. And then after that, you just go up to the right corner of the screen and you hit make it, and it will begin to take you to the process to align the words that you need, and then also hit smart vinyl if you guys have the permanent smart vinyl, and it gives you options for the other ones too as well, depending on the material that you have. And right here, guys, is my Cricut Joy, which is small but it's so mighty, guys. Oh my goodness. And basically it's just going to cut out my labels. And once done cutting, you can take your Cricut tool and take out all the excess permanent vinyl between the letters. And here is how it turned out. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. This is definitely a must-have in any household. I am definitely getting ready to label everything in the house. Like, I absolutely love this Cricut Joy. It's very compact. This cutting machine makes it easy to personalize almost anything. Cut 50 plus materials, including iron-on, cardstock, vinyl, paper, smart material. Super easy, super long cuts without a cutting mat. Draws any shapes and writes in a variety of styles, cuts individual shapes up to 4 feet long, or makes repeated cuts up to 20 feet long. And the fact that you can do everything right from your computer because it has Bluetooth is just genius. I love it. So right here, guys, I'm actually peeling it off with the transfer tape, which you will need to actually get the letters off of the smart vinyl and actually put it onto your project that you're going to be using. Here are my container stores organizing bins before, and this is actually how they look after using my Cricut labels. I love the way that everything turned out. It looks so much elegant. It definitely took my organization to the next level. I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. And also, guys, these containers are from the Container Store. I will have all the links and information down in the description box for the Cricut website as well as the Container Store. I would highly recommend if you guys are into crafting or just organizing projects around your home or just for a gift for a family or a friend. I love how everything turned out. This is the final results. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's organization and extreme bathroom makeover. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.